Okay, so I screwed up a little bit. I was still recording when I was doing all my posting and I ran out of time. So, the posting in the general journal is going to look a little bit different because I probably won't have all the numbers in there into my accounts, but this will still work. So, we are now posting our general journal because we already posted our purchases. First account, we're going to post to our accounts payable. So this is where I'm talking. You probably already have one posted to here. June 5th, though, we're going to label that as G6, General Journal, page 6. We have a debit of $42.50. My number is going to be different than what you have, so sorry. You're going to just have to make sure that you get the right number. We are subtracting here. I'm just going to put in what I get, though. Again, you will not have the same number as me. Sorry. Okay, 2105 goes up here. Now, we are going to be posting to another account, so I'm not going to worry about this account yet, an account number. I'm going to go down to my TPC supply. Okay, the date is the 5th, G6, and a debit again of $42.50. This should be, nope, it won't be the same number again. Oops. So again, you're not going to have the same number. Okay, and then this number is going to be 230, so make sure that you change that to 230. Okay, next one is going to go to our purchases, returns, and allowances video. Now this will be the right number. The date is the 5th, General Journal, page 6, and we have a credit of $42.50. So $664.20. Again, this will be the same number that you get. Okay, and account number 5215 goes there. Okay, next one, we're going back to our accounts payable. The 18th, General Journal, page 6, debit of $165.80. Again, you will not get the same balance as me. So make sure that you figure out the correct balance. Again, we're not going to have the same number here, so I'm going to go to my National Industries down here. The date is the 18th, General Journal, page 6, and I have a debit of $165.80. Again, you will not get the same. So put in your correct balance. Account number 220. So this should be 220 there. And last one, we're going to be posting to a purchases, returns, and allowances audio. The 18th, General Journal, page 6. We have a credit of $165.80. And this, you will get the same number. Okay, so the number you should get is $977.30. And account number 5115 goes up here. Okay, so once our post reference column is filled in, that tells us that we're done posting with our general. So I am going to say check answer. Of course, this is going to be wrong. I'm going to have a lot wrong from this. I am going to go back and show you this purchases journal. As far as this one goes, remember when we were typing this in, we couldn't put the correct numbers. I don't know why they did this, but they're asking for 2 numbers down here, and they don't need 2 numbers down there. Okay, and then these two, we couldn't put in the correct number. So that will be marked wrong on yours. Don't worry about that though, because I will fix that for you. do let me know if that happens on your application problems, because if it does, I need to make sure that I give you your points back for that as well. Okay, I don't know why it's wrong on here. I did figure out too, one thing that will help. Like I said, you need to click on here to get your instructions in the separate window, and that's kind of a pain. If you have your book though, the directions are going to be the same as what is in your book for those work togethers and the on your owns. So it might be easier if you just have your book open to get the directions from there. Okay. All right, so that is the end of the 1-1 work together. You can now, or 1-2 work together. You can now go on to the 1-2 on your own.